Suspect in journalist murder hit with separate charges as he broke into another house minutes before murdering Barbara Gayle. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The suspect held in connection with the murder of court reporter Barbara Gayle has been charged with a separate crime. On Friday, the Greater Portmore Police charged him with housebreaking of a home in the Caymanas Country Club estate. This is the same area where Miss Gayle was murdered. According to investigators, the suspect broke into the Caymanas Country Club estate house on the same day Miss Gayle's body was discovered. Miss Gayle, a retired journalist, was found dead in her home last week Tuesday. She had been bludgeoned and stabbed to death. Her death has deeply shaken both the media and legal communities. The suspect also stole Miss Gayle's vehicle, which was discovered the following day along Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine. He was taken into custody on Wednesday evening after the police found him hiding in bushes. Meanwhile, the Director of Public Prosecution, Paula Llewellyn, says that she is saddened by the brutal murder of Miss Gayle. Ms. Llewellyn says that she is disheartened that Miss Gayle was not alive to see her triumph over the Court of Appeal. Paula Llewellyn is the Director of Public Prosecution. Caymanas Estate boasts 2-bedroom units and is a gated community located in Caymanas. The property also offers 24-hour security and free parking. The property also boasts controlled access, which means that if you're not a resident, you have to provide an ID and the number of the house that you're going. So this is puzzling to authorities how this individual got on the property in order to carry out a break-in and also a murder. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.